All right, guys, so now I'm going to print, do my first print. Now, I cut this paper, and so you're looking for this stack that looks like this. It's got these different colors. I thought these would be kind of cool to do this on. Now, when we're going to do this first print, we're going to do the lightest color. So we're going to do this in stages. So I want this first print, I either want you to print white, or better yet, but you could print white on some of these that are this color. So let me print some white on some of these that are darker. So I'm going to print, and I want you to do more than one print. I want you to do several. But we're also going to mix some colors too. But I'll do white first. So remember, just like we did the little ones, we're going to need a little bit more ink, but not as much. I mean, still not much. So I'm going to take a roller, just like we did before. Get it even on the roller. Get that on there even. We don't want it to be real thick, but we want it to be even. And then we're going to go over this. You need a little bit more. You're going to need more than you did with the little ones. And get it on there good. Get it on there even. Do it till it looks good. See how much I'm doing? I need you to do the same thing. Okay. Now I cut this paper to be the exact same size. So try to get it on there. It looks like it's a little bigger. It looks like it is a little bigger. So try to line it up the best you can because you're going to be printing on top of each other. And make sure you're pressing down good and hard and not, don't rush it. And don't let this move. And then here you're going to peel from a corner. All right, now that Sharpie left an impression, but that's okay because as we print on top, now, I also noticed I have a little speck right there. And you know what that's from? That's from when I carved it out and I had a little speck laying there, so that kind of messed that up. But that's okay. That's why you want to do more than one print, so that you always have backups in case you mess up. So I'm going to put that to the side, let that dry. And I'm going to do another one with this white. You might try, do at least three with a light color, and I've chose white right now, and then I'm going to do another light color. So I would like you to print, again, 10 prints. I'd like you to do 10 of them. Change colors. You can do a light, maybe do a pink, a light blue. I'm going to make a baby blue here in a minute. A light blue, or you could do a yellow. Yellow's already light, so you could do one layer of yellow. But I want you to make at least 10 prints, different colors. I know this is going to be hard. You're not going to be able to do all this during the class period alone. You're going to have to do a lot of this on your own over a weekend. This is a process. This is going to take us a couple weeks to do this project. I'm hoping this print comes out better than that first one did. I think I'm going to do 3 white and 3 light blue. Maybe I'll do 4 light blue. And maybe pretty yellow, or maybe a pink. I might do a pink too. Okay, now it turned out better. I'm gonna put it to the side, and I'm gonna do one more. I think I've got enough white to do one more, and then I have to clean everything off so I can do a different color, although I think I might not. I'm going to maybe do the light blue right on top of this one, since I did this with white. I've got a black one. I'm gonna do this one on black, so you can do it on different colors. You just don't want to do the white on a light color. So 2 blacks, just 1 black. It looks like this is just a little bit taller than my soft cut, so I'm trying to line it up at the bottom. It's going to be really important that you line it up just right, especially when we start layering on top. And you'll understand when we get there. All right, white on black. Now I should be cleaning everything off. I should clean this off. I should clean my roller off. But for time, just for the sake of time, I'm going to take one of these. And when you mix colors, always start with the lightest color first and then add a little bit of the darker color. Because it's easier to go darker with paint than it is to go lighter. You guys had me for foundations, I taught you that. It's easier to go to go darker than it is to go lighter. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of blue, and I'm only gonna take a little tiny bit, just a little tiny bit. Not even very much, because I really wanna make this a light blue. So just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, mix that up, and you got your popsicle sticks. You don't have these, you got popsicle sticks. And I just made a mess. See, you didn't need very much. See how that's already turning blue? And I just had a little bit of blue in there with that white. So when you do this, make sure it's not very much blue and a whole lot of white. You know, if you wanted to make a purple, you'd have to mix a little bit of the red and the blue, and then mix the purple with the white for light color, because we're printing the lightest color possible right now. So now I'm going to take this blue, put it on here. Out of the way. And make sure you've got a rag or some paper towels. You saw me drop that and I made a mess. I got it all over my fingers. All right, so now, same procedure. Now this blue is not as transparent as that white was, so I'm thinking when I do this blue, you're not going to see those Sharpie lines. We'll find out. Okay, I think now I can use a lighter color. All right. So I'm going to do about 3 of these blue ones. And then I will have to wash everything off before I do my next color. I'll probably do my next color tomorrow in class with you guys. Yeah, the Sharpie still showed, but that's okay. Like I said, as we add other colors, that'll start going away. That to the side. Gonna need more room on this one because we got more, these are bigger. So you guys are gonna need more room. Let's see, I've got a light one, I can do this. I'm gonna use this light one. Okay, some more ink. I'm gonna do one more. I think I might do it on this rose color. All right, now I've got to clean everything up. All right, till next time.